We're so excited to take you through a whole year in the cutting garden, right from the beginning, so that you can have something to pick year-round.
Really, it's a journey for you to start to discover what you really like and what makes your heart sing. What we really want to show you is that it's not difficult. We're just going to give you a really simple collection that will really provide you with armfuls of flowers throughout the year.
These flowers are coming inside into your home.
It's really important that they have the feel that you love.
We're going to take you right from the beginning, from the planning stage of how to think about your cut flower garden, through to the planting, the picking, gathering the blooms up, to arranging them. Every single day of my life I have to have something picked. It's a total love affair. It's a connection to the seasons, connection to nature.
Learn to grow a year of cut flowers
with us, the land gardeners.